they found home Paris by verification, and they said it's right. So that's how we opened the shop. And whatever, if it's any mistake, you can tell us.
Which police did you talk to? Which police did you talk to?
It was that we are going going to police station, right? So there was Brigadier. My brother is coming, he explained to you now.
The brother is coming.
Yeah, with the next.
So Lukela said you can open. Your papers are fine.
No.
Yeah, all our papers.
This is what happened in the morning. I came here, I found the shop open. They say I went in and asked what happened. How did you open? Because the last time we checked, we closed completely the shop. Everyone, police were involved.
Labor, environment.
Everyone. So when we come back now in the morning, I find that the shop is open. Then I went inside and asked them why the shop is open. Who give you the due to open? They said police, and I said I needed to know who in the police, because when you said the police,
which police
are you talking about? You understand? So I need to know if it's the municipality, who in the municipality that you guys spoken to, so that we know where to go from now moving forward.
Okay.
Because we found a lot of expired goods. Department of Health was supposed to come address it and then maybe issue you with a note or something. We just want to know what procedure have you followed in opening the shop. That's what
those health department, they was here on Friday. They was here on Friday, and they told us they come back on Monday or Tuesday, but still they never come back.
Come back to do what?
Yeah.
Come back to do what?
Inspection.
So they didn't come, but you open.
Just hold it there.
Wait, why did you say to us?
They come in. I said they come in and they check it. They check it, and they said
What
okay.
you said to us in the morning, you said yourself.
Yeah.
They came on.
We are
Saturday.
not on position. Yeah. 1 minute.
Let me tell you what you said. I was
He asking me health department, right? They was here also.
see.
Yeah.
What you said to me, you said to me, they came on Saturday. The inspectors came on Saturday.
Some
and
of
they
inspectors,
told you, some of the inspectors, they told you that the shop is okay. Only biscuits that were expired.
the only
And I ask you, how come it's only biscuit? Because that side that we found everything, the storage, everything there was expired. So how come did they check only this side? You said what? That side is for poultry store. Do you remember? So now you're changing the statement that
No,
they
I'm
are
not
coming
changing.
on the Monday.
No, I'm not changing post.
The thing
not
of Monday,
I'm not-
I didn't hear it.
No, I'm
from
not
you.
changing yet.
Okay. What you said to us, you said the municipality and everything, they came here on Saturday, they checked you, they said you're okay. It's when that I asked the documents, your documents from the shop, and I even asked your documents, your own documents, that are you illegal in South Africa? They're there in the car. You said that they're going to take them to national for them to verify you again.
Let's talk from
Everything.
outside. Let's close the shop while we're waiting. Ngibingela umphakathi ngibena bonke abantu angazi le video yofika mhlawumbe yofika nase-USA. But into esiyitholayo la njengoba nibona yini good day what sizile nama law enforcement seza ne-labor environment bonke ama-department wa-check. We found a lot of things ezingekho right in this shop but siyafika bavulile. This is one evidence esifuna ukunikhomisa yona ukuthi ama-foreigner wahloniphi South Africa, wahloniphi umthetho, wasithatha kancane. So we are trying to do ama-joint operations siphethe i-law enforcement ne-environment namaphoyisa konke so that sonke si-check, we are making noise man. Sonke si-check sibone ukuthi into zihamba kanjani. But still noma sitholile kunento ezi-expire nento eziningi ezi-wrong, they still come and open. Shuthi abahloniphi somphakathi, abahloniphi amaphoyisa, abahloniphi environment, abahloniphi labor ngoba wonke lama department bakhona. Savumelana ukuthi shop ayikho right. Obviously ne-environment sisazo-checka ne-investment ye-5 million uthole ukuthi nayo ayikho. Ziningi lezi zinto. But still they continue to close. So abantu bangacabanga ukuthi masisebenza kungabi they continue to open. Abantu bangacabanga ukuthi mangabe mhlawumbe into zihamba slow ukuthi asisebenzi or asifuni. Bane-resistance labantu nebadele nebajwayele ukubribe, that's why baqhubeka benza izinto ngenkani. So we are still fighting, we will push until sesifike ekugcineni. So namanje baklema kukhona ozayo ezokuxhubeka xa kuvule njani. So ngithi abavala until lo muntu afike ukubakhombisa ukuthi asibasabi. And abantu i-comment yethu ngiyazi ayifuni isiphuze, ayifuni siphule, but these people are pushing us because noma sensana nomthetho nabo abawusabi. So currently lokho esimo esikiso lana, but simele ukuthi umfowabo abuye ezosichazela ukuthi kuvulwe njani. So that's wathola amaphoyisa whoever lo bhadaliwe ukuthi avulele le shop evalwe i-collective. Yeah, for now yilo.
Sanibikelela umphakathi ngila yini Good Hope Cash and Carry esivalile March and March collectively namaphoyisa na wonke ama-stakeholders. Sivalile le ndawo le last week, sathembiswa ukuthi le ndawo le ngeke ivulwe because kunezinto eziningi esizithole la zonakele. But namhlanje si-worried ukubona ukuthi bayachubeka bayasebenza and kunabantu abanikazi bey'tolo abezayo la bazothenga istock abazohamba naso le stock lesi bayosithengisela umphakathi wakithi, of which sibonile thina ukuthi kunezinto ezikhona la ezingekho right. So ngifila sorry ukubona ukuthi abantu bakithi abasincedisi kulezi zinto lezi esizenzayo, bayabuya bazothenga khona la ngoba it's a cash and carry. Ungizwisa ubuhlungu ukubona ungathi thina sisebenzele emuva ngoba thina siyavala, bayavula, abantu bayabuya bazosapota futhi. So bengicela emphakathini abantwini abazwayo futhi abanothando lokusebenzisana nomphakathi ne-March and March ukuthi nathi kune side ekumele kunala kumele thina kune-role ekumele siyidlale siwumphakathi ukuthi even if bangavula thina siwumphakathi asingezi sizosapota lezi zinto ezinje because ekugcineni ku-affecteka thina umphakathi, abantwana bethu nathi thina abazali babantwana. Ngiyabonga.
Banama-barcode abazifakela bona abazenzela bona ama-barcode kuzothiwa lezi zinto zabo zilegit. Umphakathi yekelani ukuthengela labantu laba basithandi bazosibulala, abanaso ne-certificate se-health. Sithola izinto ezivolile ngakusasa ngobusuku kwakhona on Thursday kune-truck ezithathayo lezi zinto ezivolile ukuthi kuzothiwa lezi zinto lezi zi-right. Asiyekeleni bafethu ukusapota labantu laba, sizofa ngalabantu laba. Uye e-Checkers ngabo 7, uye e-Spar ngabo 7, uye Pick n Pay angifuna ngisho ama-hours lawo asebusuku laba bangabona khona labantu laba wathola baphusha amatroli bayothenga bona abathengi lezi zinto lezi abasithengisela zona, abazidli lezi zinto lezi abasithengisela zona. Thina ake niyenzeni lokho, uwenze nje ukuthi uhambe umuntu uye Checkers or uye Spar or uye Pick n Pay ngo-7 ubabone ukuthi uzobabona benzani, baphusha amatroli bathengele bona ukudla oku-right for bona. Thina basithengisela lezi zinto ezibolile. Hayi mphakathi ake sisukumene ake siyekeleni lento le.
Yeah, mphakathi sanibonani. This is the situation esibhekana nayo most of the time that see March and March we go and close our shops. This time we were lucky because we had all the stakeholders with us, police, immigration and home affairs. We worked together to try to clean our own country, but this is what we find ukuthi masiqeda kuvala within amalanga awu-3 abantu sebayacala sebayacomply ke manje sekuvuliwe, and which is something that is raising questions. Ubani lo banikeza certificates ukuthi sebayacomply or automatically, or they just comply ukuthi sivale 2 days, the next 3 days bona seba-right. So these are the things esibhekana nazo, and when we speak and say iMalahleni it has a corruption happening, then kuba ngathi abantu siyabathuka, kuba ngathi abantu asiba-respect or anything like that. So we need to work together, everyone that is in Malahleni. You are a father, you are a mother, you are a brother, you are uncle somewhere. Let's work together and try to deal with these matters as fananales. So, and now today, we are trying to understand. No one is attending us. The owner of the building, of the business says he's coming. Until now, he's still coming, but it's fine. We will be passionate enough to wait for him until as a figures of about everything. Abraham Tegazan Lukele, ngiyabonga.